Welcome to the second video in our video series, Creating Informative Outlines, Format 1. In this video, we will be covering subdivisions, transitions, and lastly, formatting rules. What is a main idea? The textbook, Communications Principles for a Lifetime, published in 2019, defines a main idea as subdivisions of the central idea of a speech that provides detailed points of focus for developing the speech. A subdivision is a supporting material for the point it is attached to. For example, capital A is a subdivision of Roman numeral 1, and 1 is a subdivision of A. As with all main ideas, all subdivisions should also be in full sentence format. The previously mentioned textbook says this about subdivisions: you cannot divide anything into fewer than 2 parts. On an outline, every Roman numeral 1 should be followed by a Roman numeral 2. Every A should be followed by a B, and so on. Subdivisions can either be soft evidence or hard evidence. The textbook defines soft evidence as illustrations, descriptions, explanations, definitions, analogies, and opinions. It then defines hard evidence as statistics. We have just gone over what subdivisions are. Next, we will take a look at what a transition is. One full sentence helps the audience move from the first main idea to the second main idea, referring back to the textbook, Communications Principles for a Lifetime. Transition is defined as a word phrase or nonverbal cue that indicates movement from one idea to the next, or the relationship between ideas. Build redundancy. Tell them what you're going to tell them. Tell them what you told them. Preview, transition, and review. It is finally time to transition out of transitions and into formatting rules. Make sure you are lining up your outline correctly. Roman numerals, letters, and numbers need to be lined up under the first letter of the first word of the point above it. If you have an A, you must have a B. If you have a 1, you must have a 2. Big A, big number. Example, capital A, period. Then under, start with 1, period. Little a, little number. Example, lowercase a, period. Then underneath, 1, parentheses. Do not allow any part of a sentence to pass to the left of the margin. A simple transitional sentence will help the audience move from the second main idea to the third main idea. Use a single, carefully worded, declarative sentence to express the main idea. Back up the main idea with supporting material. Formatting can get confusing if you are not double checking as you go. Forgetting one symbol can change the whole outline or page layout. Indent under each symbol by pressing Control and Tab together. In this video, we learned about subdivisions, transitions, and lastly, we covered formatting rules. In a short 5 to 7 minute speech, only choose 2 to 3 main ideas to avoid going over time.